all of them something means a hustler. And if me not do it, who I go do it? If me not do it, who I go do it? This now last ever, you know. Media thing, you know. I'm not even talk about TikTok because you have other media, you have social media. I'm talking social media and all. You understand? Because we don't understand, say, you can have a set of people now on the media we are cheer for you and them dead for you. And certain things and my life can take a turn for them. You understand? God forbid, but I just teach logics right now. Life can take a turn for them. Because I won't leave a gift I'm losing, you know. I won't leave a gift I'm losing and I won't leave me gain. Sometimes I look out for them. I text them, I say, alright, them not up on TikTok, none at all. None at all. Sometimes things happening in people life, we don't know what happened to them. So you feel like said me, I go have one daughter now when me need for say a future for and I go sit down on the media, bro, every single day. Me have a daughter. Remember, you know, shit get real now, you know. Shit get real now, you know. This I don't know about no media, you know, because the media fake as fuck, you know. Mama tell you that. The media is very, very, very fake. I don't understand. Because sometimes when I see people in a, check me and Jaden for instance, so much time Jaden tell me for something my mother, I'm telling him about his mother. And me and Jaden that apart, so certain things you know just take up on the head and run with it. The media is not a real place. Me know, me have a daughter now, shit get real. You understand? A girl pitney that. Me now make my girl pitney grow up as me sit down. Guys, stop sorrows. Stop sorrows, guys. I eat my dinner though. You understand? I appreciate my people them for make me reach right as right now. Because all if I support them, I will support me. You see me? And put me somewhere. I appreciate that. But me now I get up every day and bird for them pocket. Remember now, me alone now, you know, a 2 hours now, so I double begging that me have to go beg hard now. You know, up to uno for uno mind me and my pitney dog. Uno cannot mind me and my pitney charge. You get what me I say? You know, fear to uno. Yes, me have supporter we are going to do it, yes, because me have some supporter. I call him right now and say, yo, just the hungry, you know. They know me can depend on them and count on them, but how long? How long when she start going to college now and the college fee them? Because you know, listen you know, man. And when Chastity, them time when Chastity start going to college, imagine college fee now and high school fees right now. So high. Imagine them time when Chastity grew up. Who me ever depend on? Remember come and say every day top Rose, I want to know how long TikTok will last. Remember every minute them depend TikTok will go shut down. Every minute, you know. And then when everybody say TikTok will go shut down now, you know what we do? We run come on the app and we start beg harder. Guys, we start beg harder. We start beg harder. Since you never know me, I tell you now. We start beg extremely hard because the app will go lock down. Me no want that for my daughter, dog. So, if me have left my daughter with my mother and go road go look it, that me I go do. Can't I just do me a hustle. When me I go to school, you know what me used to do? A sweetie me used to sell. A sweetie and chocolate me used to sell. But take my lunch money when I get for buy lunch. I'm not buy no lunch. Me not buy no lunch. Part food never used to nice. I'm going to collect the part food and I sit down and name it and I use all my fear. When I talk about primary school, I'm not talking about high school now. And my mother never sent me to do that. But I'm a hustling mentality what I have. When Christmas come, I could buy anything I want. I could go anywhere I want to go. I want to go pool. Mommy, I can't go pool. You have money and I have no money. Don't go. I say, Mommy, see me pocket and I have money, Mommy. A long time I hustle. So why am I going to stop now? Why am I going to stop now? Why you want to vex with me? Jealous over me, through me, I look it different from you. Everybody have them own house. As me I say, man, I bash a girl also. You see me? But don't come go like you want to bash my house and talk about, oh, she the party every night. She the party every night. What about her opinion? You don't know nothing about me and my pitney. You don't know nothing about me and my pitney because my baby never look for me and say, Jada. My baby never look for me and say, Khandy. Never. Mama, mommy, always. Always I come talk about me and my baby have no man. Why? Oh, me and her enough have no band. And every single day, me see her. Me see her first laugh. Me see her first walk. Me see her first eat. Me see her first teeth. Me see every pussy clad thing. Don't bother feel like me not say no. Since you don't know me, I gotta tell you no. I'm gonna clock it. I'm gonna go party for fun. And if me even want to go party for fun, bro, I can. Cause you see my mother up here so good. My mother up here so good. My mother, my brother, my mad. But my mother get the whole of the saneness. I could clap that, cause I claim my brother, mother, and this and that. My mother than my brother. Me mother than my brother. Me the maddest girl in my family. Mad. Me are the maddest girl out of my family. Me not think my brother mad like me. Cause any of my see some girl in the church up them out and them there Jamaica, me clack a girl. Cause some girl go like them bad and them no bad. Them no bad none at all, girl. A long time I know you. Long blood clot time I know some girl. Long time I know when girl a beat her to sickness. I know you when girl a beat her to sickness. You reach you feel like you're not there in Jamaica now, so you feel like say you're untouchable. You feel like you're untouchable. But me not do nothing, you know. Me not do nothing. You soon buck up on the right one. Next, like since you done in night, I'ma clock some tea. Mama clock some tea. No. Alright, I'm not nobody tell me for done enough. Cause them not done for my name, so I'm not done neither. Any chance we get, any little chance we get, I'm not work right now, so I'm clock the tea, you know. Alright, cause I don't know me I said so now. Pretties. You say no, no pretties, you know. The girl say, me would have never left my baby and gone to party, Ray. What you say? Hold on, what did you say? You would have never left your picnic gone to party. Remember, you know, a party me go work, you know, me is an entertainer, you know. Check the girl Snapchat. And what my friend send how much blood clot snap with the girl their party. The girl their party junk like bat with she and her friend them junk like bats. And then I come saying I'm gonna stop lie to the people them. Stop lie to the people them. Yeah, the party almost every blood clot night time. I don't know when they did the party, but I know say their party and you get the baby cold syrup for drink. Next thing now, this little boy come and you claim for say, the boy find me rare, this and that. A girl find a new man, so she study the man got a gym. You study the man. Study the man. Study the man and follow the man and see which floor the man go on. You start got gym. The man fuck you and cut, girl, no man can fuck me and cut. Clap that. Me say all me are the dog shit of the dog shit. All me are the devil's daughter. No man could have never fuck me and cut. You crazy? Are you sick? Fuck who and cut. Fuck who and cut. As the man cuts up, the girl stop guard him. Me never see somebody start gym and done so quick yet. Me never see a girl or a man start gym and done so quick. And that's not even the problem. The gym or the man are not even the problem. You know what the fucking problem? Good mother, the best mother in the whole wide world. You left the baby in the house by himself and gone and gym go look for money. You want to talk about me? And you want to talk about me? My baby never left unattended yet. Never. See what come talk about good mother and mother this and mother that girl? Never. And this is not something me I speculate. Cause me don't know how you dumb so your people them just as blood clot bad. Cause the baby left in the house by himself and you have camera upon the baby. I watch the baby from there. You watch the man. You watch the baby at the other. You at the gym I watch the man. While you watch the baby. The baby left unattended because I don't know how you so delusional. You sit down and say, oh, I'm watching the baby. You know they're not nowhere near the baby. Camera cannot save the baby, girl. Yes, I watch the baby off her phone, but that cannot help the baby. Suppose the baby goes and jump and roll off of the bed. Or do something. Go touch you and sack it or something. Where you could have done now, you're busy and watch man fuck you one day and cut one night stand. No man can't fuck me in my pussy. No man can't fuck me in my pussy and left me same night. No man could have never, ever, when I say ever, never, a girl do them something there. A girl give man one night stand. And you a man fuck you one day in your pussy and cut girl. You no good none at all. Man I ask you. A woman me know do them something there. A woman me know we are them a fuck around and them know say alright them there one party or something go down and a girl just fuck her one man and the man a call her for her phone and she not answer. She give him just a call her and a call her for her phone and she not answer. Woman alone for do them something there. A man fuck you and left you I enjoy. After that him go look for your reputation and cut left you. Girl, all if your reputation bad, the pussy supposed to make him think twice. The pussy should have make him think twice. I'm not cause you know, me just talk up the things them because you no know. You no know, so I tell you no. You don't know, and if you know I'm come draw up the file and draw up everything, I will definitely post them on my Instagram page later. Kinda like me I tell Pani girl. You talk about I will never go party. You not see Pana status? Me would have never go party. I left my baby. Bitch I go party at night time. I left the picnic at the house and give the baby cough syrup. And I rub white rum for the baby lip for the baby. And I come move your blood clot. I come talk about your good mother. Good mother where? Good mother oh. Eh? Good mother oh. Where the good mother there? Where? Bitch, mama tell you this. If I never for them, me could deluded people. Them. I don't know your people them delusional so. Your people them delusional your blood clot. You're delusional. Can you come up and you talk about, oh, she could talk about my baby again, she talk about my baby. Are you that dumb? Are you dumb? Dumb bitch? Are you stupid or something? Me say you wish that pan people and you can't say baby on board. Baby on board is a sticker, you fucking dumb ass bitch. Baby on board, it's a sticker. That means say, baby on board, dumb bitch. Stupid ass bitch. You dumb? That means a baby on board. Okay? So I'm educate you. I never say nothing about your baby. Me never say nothing about your baby. In the first part or the second part, I never say nothing about your baby. Because everybody in the comments and them of themselves, oh, she was the first one who said something bad about her baby. I want to say about her baby. I say you just nobody and you sit down and them a bag of yogurt. Why you not take the yogurt? Give the baby. Take the yogurt, give the baby. How is that disrespecting the baby? Oh. Then they get up. Our baby ugly. Our baby here one come. Girl, I not even did shake. Because you feel like somebody going to feel a way and ball. I never going to feel no way and ball. Maybe I do worse than that. Worse than that to other people, Pitney. And people in the comment section, oh, are they much up with the girl like, we don't know who the blood clot Ivany Wright is. We don't know. We don't know. A long time that the girl I wish that punch us a long time. Long time like we don't know this girl yeah. We don't know her. Oh, I'm going to take out everybody blood clot page. I'm going to take out everybody blood. Woman, nobody not afraid of you. I tell you. You just attack. You be not do it. If you take away your page, you take away your girl page and that's it. Nobody not shit, nobody not friend, nobody not business. Take away your girl page and it done right there so we make new page. That is what emails are made for. A girl can have 50 million blood clot page. Email now no limits. Email now have limits. And no girl can send me no blood clot code and me click on that. No big pussy girl. No big pussy girl. Can't send me no number, I send it back to them. No big pussy girl. And idiot people that do them some of the too. People don't really have much sense about technology. No big pussy girl can send no code. And no 4-digit, 6-digit number. No big pussy girl. I'ma send that back to them. You crazy? But mother and baby and this and that. Mother, oh you're a great mother. Move your blood clot. I never give my daughter cough syrup. You said I go see go rockabye baby pan no blood clot cough syrup. You see the girl? Rockabye baby pan which cough syrup and you which good mother? Where the good mother there? Where? Where the good mother there? I want to know where the good mother there. More have to know where the good mother they. I mean not one good mother title a blood clot neither. Me not sit down every day and talk about good mother, cause who the fuck even cares? A good mother title you look from people when it even give a fuck about what beef. When I even care. We talk this today and by next week 2 weeks from now nobody gives a flying fuck. Y'all look good mother title from people who sit down with them pitney every day, with them pitney go to school and pitney go to college and them a give you money. And them a give you money, I feel like them business with it. Them not really business. Them just there for a good time, not a long blood clot time. And right now, after the things that I say, nobody not really care either. What the fuck me gonna bring my opinion on the media? Do the most to her, buy her one bag of designer clothes, and nobody feel like I can't do it. Nobody feel like